Hi, this is Stephanie at eFoodDehydrator.com, and today we are dehydrating banana chips. What I do is I slice up these individually. You can also get one of those cool banana slicers that I see, but I've never used that. But I just peel them, and then I just cut them uniformly, and then lay them out very nice on the trays. And then I put them into the dehydrator. I'll have about 5 trays after we're done here. What happened there? Did you take one?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like dehydrated banana crisp?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Malcolm!
And we are dehydrating banana crisp. And I'll let you know how they turn out in about 6 to 8 hours. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Hi, Stephanie from eFoodDehydrator.com. I wanted to let you know how the banana crisps turned out. They turned out great. This is my best batch ever. They're nice and light and crispy, and they took about 12 hours to dehydrate to this level. You know, I like them crispy. These will be an awesome treat for the kids. Actually, they already tried some before I got up, and they actually loved them. They turned out really great. And this was a good thickness, too. I've tried them a little thicker, and they were a little not as crispy. So I hope you've enjoyed this small tutorial, and I hope to see you over at eFoodDehydrator.com. We have a great members area that's all free, and we have discussions and videos and tips and secrets on my favorite subject, food dehydration. So, or you can visit me over on eBay under the username of Stephanie JW, and I have a variety of different products relating to food dehydration and vacuum sealers coming up, and hope to see you very soon, and have a great day. Thanks.